Full performance, Vishesh.
Thank you very much for that.
Is the contest within a contest MVP that spurs on you to give your best?
Definitely, it is like we won that. I won that MVP, and I'm very happy for this. And this is my first appearance in the UPA, and I'm the MVP. So this is double happiness for me.
Right. So the debut season for you proved to be a really memorable one so far.
Yeah, you can say that definitely because this is my debut in this UPA, and I scored like the last match I scored 57. That was very happy. Like happy thing for me. It was too good for me. And after that, I got this MVP award also. So this is
Yeah. The match against Hyderabad Sky was really a cliffhanger.
yeah, it was man. It was neck to neck, and we just won by 3 points. And the last shot he missed, and definitely it was very tough shot. But still, if he had made, it would have been in the extra time, and we won. And I was very happy because first three matches we lost by continuously we lost, and after that continuously three matches we won, and that was very like you can say do or die match for us, and so definitely it was very happy. I was very happy for that.
Now the action shifts to Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium for the semi-finals. Obviously, happy memories of the stadium there with ONGC.
Yeah, with ONGC and with national team also before the Federation Cup, I came for the Lusofonia games over here. The first time when you made
Absolutely,
the stadium, and we won the gold medal over here. And after that Federation Cup, we won the gold. So definitely, I would like that the same blessings will stay with us, and we'll try our best to win this championship.